Hey guys, and there's exciting news I want to share with you. If you're a recruiter, running a recruitment agency, working a full desk, or do anything related to sales or go-to-market, I want to talk directly to you because what I'm about to share is something I genuinely wish someone had shown me years ago. It would have saved me a lot of time, money, and unnecessary stress. I've spent years running my recruitment agency for over a decade. The candidate side, client side, working with some of the best companies, and even helping hundreds of people find their jobs. And like most people in this industry, I built a lot of my early business through relationships, networking, and showing up consistently. And that works. Relationships and reputation are still everything in this business. But here's the reality. Even with a strong network, finding new clients still require a serious amount of legwork. You have to identify the right companies, find the right decision makers, figure out the right approach. None of that happens on its own. And when you break it down day to day, it's a lot of manual steps. I would literally find myself sitting down and realizing that hours of the day had already gone into just doing that groundwork. Pulling names, hunting for contact details, switching between tools, trying to piece everything together just to make a handful of outreach attempts. And those are hours I wasn't spending on qualifying candidates or closing clients. These are the activities that actually move a recruitment business forward. So I looked at every alternative out there. Third-party tools, powerful, but technically complex, expensive, and not built specifically for recruiters and recruitment. Then you have lead gen agencies, even more expensive, and the results are inconsistent at best. You might get lucky for a month or two, and then it stops. And then there's hiring someone, account executive, BDR, sales professional, SDR, someone to go out to find clients for you. But here's the question nobody asks. If that person learned business development or has a track record, but that was 3, 5, or 10 years ago, are those same tactics actually going to work today in 2026? The market has changed. And on top of that, you have zero guarantee they're actually going to deliver in the first 30, 60, or 90 days. You're carrying expensive salary, overhead, and full uncertainty with no promise of return. And when you don't have a consistent pipeline of clients coming in, your business is in serious trouble. Constantly searching for the next solution, spending money on things that don't deliver, it creates this exhausting flywheel of desperation. And that's no way to run a business you've worked so hard to build. So I stopped waiting and built it for myself. That's Flint AI. And I want to say something about what that actually means because it matters. We are actual recruiters who are in the trenches every single day, genuinely passionate about the problem because we are living it every single day ourselves. This isn't a product built by a VC firm or a tech founder from the outside looking in. It's a product built for people who understand the grind firsthand. And that's exactly why we built Flint AI. Not another automation tool, but rather an intelligence engine built by recruiters for recruiters. Its entire North Star is crystal clear. Remove the manual layer from client acquisition entirely. Save recruiters and teams time and money and give them back the hours they should be spending on what actually matters, talking to prospects and closing new clients. And we made sure getting started is as easy as it should be. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up your AI agent. It's completely intuitive and you don't need to be technical to use it. You answer a few simple questions about who you're targeting, industries, company size, job titles, decision maker roles, remote or on-site, and Flint's intelligent layer runs continuously from that point. Every single morning, a fresh list of qualified leads lands in your inbox. The company, decision maker, title, their direct email, and even their phone number. All prepared, all ready to act on every day, automatically, 24/7. But this is just the beginning. What we're building goes far beyond the daily lead list. Flint is designed to keep getting smarter and keep removing friction and keep putting recruiters one step closer to the conversations and clients that matter. There's a lot more coming, and we genuinely cannot wait to show you what's next in store. So if any of this really resonates, gets you excited, come check out what we built so far at tryflint.ai. We think you're gonna love it, and we are just getting started. Save time now, and we'll see you there.